What kind of food do they eat in Zimbabwe? Zimbabwe is located in southern Africa, just a hop, skip and a jump from South Africa, Botswana, Zambia, Malawi and Mozambique. But what kind of food do they eat in Zimbabwe? As you can imagine, the Zimbabwean diet is anything but average. Drawing on its shared histories with the countries I mentioned before, it is not uncommon to find dishes that have influences from all of these countries. You will find a wide variety of Western dishes in abundance, but to really enjoy the country, it is highly recommended to venture into their local cuisine. Some local delicacies are things like ishwa or flying insects. This is a delicious seasonal delicacy that only needs a sprinkle of salt to bring out its flavor. Mutakura, an unforgettable taste sensation comprising of a mix of boiled grains and maize. You will also find a wide selection of naturally occurring vegetables, grains, as well as fruits. Zimbabweans love a barbecue or braai, and you're never too far away from a braai get-together. But stretch your mind, because the Zimbabwean barbecue features things like steaks, boerewors, which is a type of seasoned sausage influenced by South African cuisine, chicken wings in pieces, and only very occasionally burgers and hot dogs. Zimbabwean food relies on only absolutely necessary seasoning, with dried vegetables and meats making an appearance during the colder months. Sun-kissed food has never tasted so good. So if you're ever in Zimbabwe, ask a local to recommend a good place to eat. For more fun facts on Zimbabwe, check out SARURA Kids on YouTube Kids today.